maybe that would help. Man, there's always someone that's gonna ruin your fun by going out the front like that. Tony, you better stay where you are. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And you, my friend, are the slowest overtaker in humanity's history. Going 104. I'm trying to commit real crimes. No, I didn't say it. I didn't say it. That was, yeah. Editor, please cut that out. Here we go. Moto. And the Moto can't stop because they're on the wrong side of the road. They can't do nothing. Yeah, this guy's going slow. But that's okay. You don't have to go fast all the time. Even though it's fun to go fast, sometimes you gotta take a chill. Like this guy. At least his bike sounds though. Mine doesn't. Listen. See, nothing. I can barely hear it. I saw that car before. It had a broken thing, Volvo logo. The Volvo logo was gone. I don't think he likes driving a Volvo, so he's ashamed. Is that Cristiano Ronaldo? Nah, it can't be. Kind of looked like it for a second, but then I realized, nah, it doesn't look like him at all. What kind of shirt is that? Oh, it's a vest. Thought she had like a glitter gold vest on. It was looking fire. And I realized it wasn't. I want to go go-karting. Oh, my neck. My neck isn't used to this kind of load anymore. It's a long time since I had a camera on, so my neck is weird. I think the last time I recorded was in July, and right now it's September, so that's 2 months. It's a pretty long time if you ask me. I'm sorry for, well, I have uploaded videos, but maybe not the best quality, not the funniest maybe. But right now I'm gonna get a load of videos. But first I need to learn how to speak, because I can't speak right now. Look at the sick lean angle. Oh my lord. That's like Moto GP levels, man. Don't mess with me, because I'll lean on you. Okay, I'm filming. I'm filming. That's a good feeling. When you realize that you're still filming, or you notice that you check if you're filming and you're filming. That's a good feeling. Now I'm gonna go buy some sick glasses, man. A co-worker brought them once when we were out eating and drinking and the stuff that you do with your colleagues. And he brought the glasses and I was like, I gotta try them on. And I tried them on and they were so nice, I didn't want to take them off. So he told me, yeah, you can buy them there. They're at the fishing department. So I was like, hell yeah, man, I'm gonna go buy me those. It took me a month. That was like a month. But it's finally time that I get my hand out my anus. And I go buy them. Glasses. But first, I had to maneuver these slow guys. What gear am I in? Now I had to be in second. I think so. Yeah, it was second gear. Damn, she's a race car driver right there. Next generation Formula 1 driver. You can see how far ahead she is already. She's driving like Max Verstappen. Well, not right now. Max is in a slump right now. Maybe I should say like Oscar Piastri or something. or Lando Norris, or Charles Leclerc. He's been on a roll.